Ever wondered which birds are the true speed demons of the skies? Let's count down the top 3 fastest birds on the planet. You won't believe how fast they go. At number 3, we have the gray-headed albatross. This majestic seabird can reach speeds of up to 79 miles per hour, 127 kilometers per hour, while gliding over the ocean. Talk about aerodynamic. Number 2 is the golden eagle, one of the most powerful birds of prey. During a hunting dive, it can clock speeds of up to 200 miles per hour, 322 kilometers per hour. That's faster than most sports cars. And taking the number 1 spot as the fastest bird in the world is the peregrine falcon. This incredible predator holds the title of the fastest animal on Earth, reaching jaw-dropping speeds of 240 miles per hour, 386 kilometers per hour, during its stoop dive. Which of these birds amazes you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're a fan of jaw-dropping animal facts and nature's wonders, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Join us for more fascinating content that'll keep you soaring with curiosity. See you next time.